The question here, if you have the atomic notation of chlorine, how many protons, electrons, and neutrons would it have? This is the atomic notation of chlorine here above the question. And I've also represented it as an ion, which not all examples you may be shown will have. First, the 36 is the mass number. 36 equals mass. The mass is made up of the protons plus the neutrons. Next, the number in the bottom left, 17, is the number of protons. Lastly, the number in the top right, the 1 negative or -1, is what they call the charge. The first and easiest thing to figure out is the protons. So the protons equal 17. Next, what we are going to figure out is the electrons. The electrons involve the charge of the -1 here, or 1 negative. The electrons equal the protons minus the charge. Therefore, the electrons equal protons, which are 17, minus the charge is -1. So 17 minus -1, that means it equals 18. So our electrons equal 18. Last, what we're going to figure out is the neutrons. The neutrons equal the mass minus the protons. Our mass is the number in the top left, 36, and our protons is in the bottom left, minus 17. That means our neutrons equal 19. Now we have all the answers. We have our neutrons, 19, we have our electrons, 18, and we have our protons, 17.